Can a smartphone really replace your professional camera? We're testing a device with a 50MP triple camera setup, 4K video recording, and advanced stabilization features. Let's find out if it's worth your money. OnePlus has just dropped its latest device, and it's got everyone talking. From a 50MP camera system to a vibrant AMOLED display, this phone promises a lot. But does it deliver where it matters most? Let's break it down. Let's start with the design. This phone stands out with its premium build, a glass front and back framed in aluminum. The Gorilla Glass 7i ensures durability against scratches, while the IP65 rating provides protection from water splashes and dust. At 206 grams, it feels solid but slightly heavy, which might be noticeable during prolonged use. However, the sleek dimensions of 161.7 by 75.8 by 8.0 mm make it comfortable to hold. The 6.78-inch LTPO 4.1 AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and sharp clarity. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 4500 nits, you'll experience smooth scrolling and excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Watching HDR10 or Dolby Vision content is truly immersive, making this display perfect for binge watchers and gamers. One minor drawback? The 19.79:9 aspect ratio might feel slightly narrow for those used to wider screens. The camera system is where the device shines. 50MP main sensor captures sharp details and vivid colors, even in low light. Optical image stabilization (OIS) ensures steady shots. 50MP telephoto lens, ideal for portraits with its 2x optical zoom, though it's not a huge zoom range compared to competitors. 8MP ultra-wide lens delivers decent group and landscape shots but struggles slightly with edge distortion. The 16MP front camera produces good selfies, though the f/2.4 aperture limits low-light performance. Video lovers, the rear camera supports 4K at 60 frames per second with excellent stabilization, making it great for content creators. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and paired with up to 16GB of RAM, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps effortlessly. Games like Call of Duty, Mobile and Genshin Impact run smoothly at max settings with no noticeable frame drops. However, the aluminum frame can get warm after extended gaming sessions, which might be worth considering. A 6000 mAh battery is a game changer, offering up to 1.5 days of heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this phone has you covered. And when it's time to charge, the 80W fast charging takes you from 0 to 100% in under 45 minutes. One possible downside? There's no wireless charging support, which is becoming a standard in this price range with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. The interface is clean, intuitive, and customizable. The promise of 4 years of Android updates means you won't need to worry about upgrading anytime soon. Features like multitasking windows and advanced widgets enhance usability. The phone comes with two storage options: 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 16GB RAM. Both use UFS 4.0 technology, ensuring lightning-fast read and write speeds. While the storage is non-expandable, the available configurations are more than sufficient for most users. This phone is packed with future-proof connectivity options: 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and even an infrared port. The under-display fingerprint sensor is quick and accurate, and the stereo speakers deliver clear, balanced sound. So, is this the right phone for you? If you're looking for a device that balances camera performance, storage, and overall usability, this is hard to beat. What are your thoughts? Would you consider this for your next upgrade? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews like this one.